Addressing modes. Addressing modes refer to the method used to identify the location or value of an operand. This is a typical move instruction. The operand on the right is the source operand. The operand on the left is the destination operand. Data move from the source operand to the destination operand, or right to left. What is being moved? Where is it being moved to? Remember, the addressing modes refer to the method used to identify the location or value of an operand. The source operand 23 hex. Is this a location or a value? We shall cover 4 addressing modes: immediate, direct, register, and register indirect. In immediate addressing mode, the operand is the actual value to be used in the operation. Take for an example this instruction. The hashtag indicates that the immediate addressing mode is used for the source operand. 23 hex is actual data, and it is moved to the A register, or the accumulator. The accumulator is a register residing under the special function register. The instruction caused the content of the accumulator to be filled with 23 hex. The mnemonics of this instruction is move immediate data to the accumulator. Let's look at another example. This is immediate addressing. F4 hex is the value, and it is moved to register R3. Register R3 is a memory location under the internal data memory. The instruction causes the content in the R3 register to be filled with F4 hex. The mnemonics of the instruction is move immediate data to register Rn. Rn represents any register from R0 to R7. Direct addressing. In direct addressing mode, the operand is the address of the internal data memory. Let's take this example. The source operand is direct addressing mode. 23 hex is an address of the internal data memory. Thus, in this example, the value of this operand is 56 hex. This value is moved to the accumulator. The mnemonics of this instruction is move direct to the accumulator. Another example of direct addressing. 24 hex represents the address of the internal data memory. The value 12 hex is moved to register R1. The mnemonics of this instruction is move direct to register Rn. Another example. 33 hex is an address. The value 1A hex is moved to memory location 26 hex. The mnemonics of this instruction is move direct to direct. Let's try one last example on direct addressing. The source operand is immediate addressing. The destination operand is direct addressing. The immediate data 33 hex is moved to direct address 26 hex. The mnemonics of this instruction is move immediate data to direct. Register addressing. In register addressing, register R0 to R7, which resides in the internal data memory, is used. The operand is a register. Let's look at an example. The source operand is register addressing. The destination operand is direct addressing. The content in R7 is moved to direct address 26 hex. The mnemonics of this instruction is move register to direct. RN represent any registers from R0 to R7. Let's try another register addressing example. The content in direct address 30 hex is moved to register R1. The mnemonics of this instruction is move direct to register. Register in direct addressing. This is a register in direct addressing instruction. The @ sign shows that this operand, the source operand, is register in direct addressing. Register in direct addressing means that the address which will be used by the instruction is taken from the content of a register. Let's assume these are the contents in the internal data memory. The content of register R0 is 25 hex. Recall the statement, the address which will be used by the instruction is taken from the content in the register. Therefore, 25 hex is an address, and this address refers to the direct address. The value of this operand is therefore 1A hex. This content is moved to direct address 26 hex. The mnemonics of this instruction is move register indirect to direct. Let's try another example. The source operand is direct addressing. The value of this operand is 33 hex. Where is this content moved to? The destination operand is a register indirect. The content in the register contains the address. Therefore, 41 hex is the address. This is location 41 hex. 33 hex is moved to location 41 hex. The mnemonics of this instruction is move direct to register indirect. For register indirect addressing, only R0 and R1 can be used. This instruction is wrong. This is wrong too. We have completed 4 addressing modes. There are other addressing modes which are not covered here.